Have you ever said this to yourself after coming home from work that today was not a very productive day at work? I am sure many times. And if you are into a job, that monthly paycheck coming in your bank account makes you realize, okay, I think I am doing decent enough to get my salary in my bank, so let's not think a lot about productivity. But I'm sure many people still get irritated at the thought that I am not as productive as I can be. And this productivity questions comes into your head again only when it affects you personally. Maybe आपको promotion मिलना था वो नहीं मिला because your boss says you are not that productive, or maybe your boss called you up after a project and said, bro, your turnaround time is pathetic, you need to work on that. And when these things happen more often, that's when you realize I need to seriously get some perspective as to how I can be more productive at work. Because until then our brain is talking to us something like this: bro, you were working for all the 8 to 9 hours today, it's already 7 p.m. and you can do all of these tasks tomorrow as well. Now don't think a lot about productivity and be happy that you survived a day. That's how your brain makes you a happy but a mediocre output producer. I have been through and through this problem just to realize that I need some serious perspective on productivity, about how I can live a more productive day. For those of you who need a heads up and a perspective as to how you can have a more productive day at work, then this video is for you. So in today's video, we are giving you 6 hacks which will allow you to live a more productive day. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Number 1. The perfect peace. So how many of you were thrilled and overjoyed when we saw Rishabh Pant take responsibility and win the match for India? Or Cheteshwar Pujara taking those body blows just to save the match for India? We all talked about persistence, grit, determination, responsibility, all of those terms for all the players who contributed to India's win against Australia. But where do these words and their meaning go when we talk about being on our work pitch? Maybe you are a person who works in a corporate and the boardroom is your pitch. Maybe you are a teacher who teaches students and the board is your pitch. Maybe you are a doctor and there's someone lying in the operation theatre and his family only praying that you perform your best. I'll tell you the reason. The reason is when everyone is looking at Virat Kohli hit those 4s and 6s, we actually kind of feel that everyone is looking at him and he's doing something so significant, then we kind of attach all our emotions and energies with what he's doing, not realizing it's not the entertainment value that we need to take from that match, but also the grit, sacrifice and determination put up by all of those behind the screens, behind any cameras, which is why they are able to put up that show. The simple point I'm trying to make here is that we consider our work as bland, boring, uninteresting and insignificant, so to say. That is why we never think about perfection when it comes to our work. If we just start working with this mindset that this small task is super significant and I need to chase perfection into whatever I do, then we will make sure that we leave no stone unturned, that this task is done in the best possible manner and in the least possible time that it could take. Just realizing how significant your work is and what kind of an impact you make through your work, make yourself realize that again and again. And in every small task or in whatever you do, just try to make sure that it is the best piece. Once you do that, your focus and your productivity would increase at an unimaginable pace. Number 2, free time. The most creative thing to do in this world is to think. But of course, this internet age is making us consume all the time. Also, this urge to be super productive all the time, to be juggling 10 tasks together, बिकॉज वो बैच भी तो लेके चलना है कि मेरे पास कोई टाइम नहीं है, आई एम द मोस्ट बिजी पर्सन अराउंड, बट आई विल टेल यू द ट्रूथ, you are a slave. These free times are super important to refuel your mental energy so that you can be more productive and more happy as well. So next time when your friend calls you up and says भाई 2 से 5 क्या कर रहा है, and you say भाई 2 से 5 मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, and he says कुछ नहीं कर रहा तो मिलते हैं, then you say नहीं मैं 2 से 5 कुछ नहीं करने का प्लान करा हुआ है मैंने, और उसको लगे कि आप पागल हो गए हो. So let him think that way, or you can forward this video to him. मोटा भाई धंधे में आगे छे प्रमोशन करूँ बहुत सरस. Number 3, weekly and a daily planner. They say that the tasks that get done are the only ones that get scheduled. Very rightly said. And I think this is the most important point of this video and also the most actionable one as well. Because it essentially means that whatever personal or professional task you have to do, if you schedule them well, then they will be done, otherwise not. So weekly or a daily planner बनाने से you will be able to control which tasks have been done and which have not been done, so maybe they'll be carried forward to the next day or the next week. And we are preparing a video separately on this topic which will be released in the next week. So stay tuned and we'll give you a weekly and a daily planner which will help you manage your task really well. Number 4, सेल्फ असेसमेंट. वेरी सिंपल एंड अ स्वीट पॉइंट. अपने आप से ये 3 सवाल पूछने हैं एट द एंड ऑफ एवरी वर्क डे. व्हाट डिड आई डू राइट, व्हाट डिड आई डू रॉन्ग एंड व्हाट डू आई डू टू improve it. You will be able to understand that these are the things that you are doing right which is making you produce faster. These are the things that you are doing wrong which is why and which is depleting your productivity. You can basically be conscious of what mistakes you are making and also tell yourself how you can improve there. Number 5, don't control everything. Since I am from commerce background and I am a chartered accountant, there is a topic that we are taught in business studies which says management by exception. मैनेजमेंट बाय एक्सेप्शन का मतलब होता है कि सब चीज़ों को कंट्रोल करने के चक्कर में आप कुछ भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाओगे. सो इसीलिए कंट्रोल करो उन बड़ी चीज़ों को जिससे ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता है. जस्ट लुक एट द बिगर पिक्चर. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा माइन्यूट होकर हर चीज़ को चेंज करने पे लग जाओगे तो कुछ भी कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाओगे. नाउ इस पॉइंट का यहाँ पे मतलब ये है और इस वीडियो के कंटेक्स्ट में ये मतलब है, थोड़ी थोड़ी इंप्रूवमेंट को मना मत करो ये बोल के कि मैं पूरा इंप्रूव होऊंगा तभी फर्क पड़ेगा. तो ये थोड़े इंप्रूवमेंट से कुछ नहीं होगा. It's like Virat Kohli seeing Sachin Tendulkar on screen and saying, if I cannot play exactly like him, I will not play cricket at all. Changes come really gradually. And there is a quote that I love that I wish to share here. Perfectionists never start. Success is shabby. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो बंदा ये सोचता है कि जब सब कुछ परफेक्ट होगा तब मैं वो करूँगा, या फिर I need everything to be perfect before doing that thing, essentially they will never do anything. So don't try to control everything. Even if you are trying to improve on 1 or 2 points और कुछ चीज़ों में आपकी productivity better होती है, just give a pat on your back and think about how you can improve the other things. But don't think कि ये चीज़ हुई पर वो नहीं हुई तो सब कुछ नहीं हो पाया. Then how does that make sense? It makes a lot of sense. Number 6, take up something you love. शायद पेंटिंग करनी हो, या शायद स्नूकर खेलना है, या शायद 6 पैक एब्स बना के किसी बीच पे जाके फोटो शूट कराना हो. हॉबी कोई भी हो सकती है, बट एसेंशियली इट नीड्स टू बी समथिंग विच एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व्स यू टू डू समथिंग. इफ यू टेक अप एनीथिंग विच इंटरेस्ट्स यू, विच काइंड ऑफ स्पर्स यू इनटू एक्शन एंड मेक्स यू प्रोड्यूस समथिंग, then it is going to fuel your spirit like anything. Considering me, I love to create videos on YouTube and make an impact through the content. This hobby of creating videos in my free time allows me to be 110% rejuvenated as I join back work in the next week. So you also need to find something that you love and you need to pursue it, and it will give you a kind of creative satisfaction which will allow you to focus 100% when you get back to work at office, which is where you are solving the money problem but also solve the satisfaction problem, so that then when you go to work you are absolutely productive and you are totally out there. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found the video useful. If you really liked it and you mean it, then do hit that like button. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. And please make sure to give us a valuable comment right at the end of this video, because we do care what you have to say. We at Chartered Conversationalist wish you more productive days at work. Crush it, man.